So my background is both in franchising, but then also the tech space. So for me, I'm highly critical of what's the platform like, what's the UI, what's the experience, and then the team too. So for me, what stood out was at first the simple UI, like the design of the platform is fantastic because when you think about all the information and trying to find what you're looking for, the key is making it as easy as possible, and KnowHow absolutely does that. So that definitely stood out to me, especially when you look at the home services industry. A lot of times the software that business owners have to use, it isn't always easy to use. So it might be important and it might be crucial, but it may not be easy to use. So that was very, very important that KnowHow was very simple, easy to use. So whether you have a ton of tech experience or very little, you could get some onboarding done and then feel really comfortable with it.